Gum disease affects millions of people worldwide, and a new product called Periotrap Toothpaste claims to protect your gums by targeting harmful bacteria without damaging the mouth's natural microbiome. But does it actually promote healthier gums, or is it just marketing hype? So, Periotrap Toothpaste is designed to support gum health and prevent inflammation by targeting specific periodontal bacteria, especially P. gingivalis, a major cause for gum disease. The formula also includes 1450 ppm fluoride for cavity protection and bisabolol to soothe irritated gums. Unlike some antibacterial products, it aims to block harmful bacteria while preserving beneficial oral microbes. There are some interesting points behind the science. The toothpaste uses a microbiome-friendly approach, targeting harmful bacteria instead of killing all bacteria in the mouth. Lab research suggests the technology can reduce harmful biofilm and inflammation markers linked to gum disease. And it still includes standard dental protection like fluoride to strengthen enamel and prevent cavities. But there are also some limitations. The toothpaste is very new on the market, with a broader rollout starting around 2025. Most evidence comes from laboratory studies and company research, with limited long-term independent clinical reviews yet. Like any toothpaste, it can replace proper brushing, flossing, and professional dental care. So does Periotrap toothpaste actually promote healthy gums? It appears to be a legit science-based innovation in oral care, but it's still relatively new. The technology is promising, yet real-world results will depend on long-term studies and proper dental hygiene. The bottom line, it isn't a miracle cure, but it could be a promising new type of gum health toothpaste focused on protecting the oral microbiome rather than wiping out all bacteria. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.